Hello, everyone. I've decided to use the elementary lunch menu from Davidson County Schools back where my hometown is. I decided to pick the one that is most recent, so May 2019. Um, for school age children, in reference to the division of responsibility that is stated in the book and what we have been learning, as children are progressive into the school system and how the school is now responsible of their selection available for the child. So the child is not responsible for what is given to them. So they're only responsible for how much they eat and what they're going to eat. So like in these little boxes, you can tell like they have many to choose from, a lot to choose from within each day. So like on Wednesday they had like peanut butter and jelly or chicken nuggets with a roll or like a barbecue sandwich. So that would be like their protein that they would be having. And then they also have like other sides that they can choose from that are also healthy. What the child is responsible for is what I've already stated is how much they eat and what they're going to eat, so they can pick and choose what they want. The selection is just as we've been learning. So the selection, like I just stated, like all of these, they have plenty to choose from in here, just like we've been learning, and that's what's supposed to be given to them. It is a child's job not only to eat the food, but not, they're, sorry, they are only supposed to choose what they eat and how much they eat. That's what they're responsible for. They're not responsible to know the pyramid, the food pyramid, and understand why or what they're eating and how it's affecting them. But it's also good for them to understand that, to know what's healthy and what helps them grow and gives them energy to go throughout their day. What's most appealing to me when I was a child would probably be like baked spaghetti. That's what I love to eat that, and pizza, the retro pizza in the little squares. I still remember that. That was like my favorite on those days. And then also we used to have cheese sticks, and the cheese sticks were really good. I don't see them on here though. I guess they don't do that anymore. But and fruit, I was really big on fruit. But what I think would be least appealing to a child, maybe fish nuggets. I'm not sure what that is. So maybe if they would elaborate more. And one thing that I would change about this menu would be to maybe have pictures beside it so kids would be able to see what they're about to order. Although when they go into the line, they'll be able to just pick, so it wouldn't really matter them seeing it on the menu. But for them to be able to think about it throughout their day and figure out what they're going to want to eat, it would probably make it easier for them and easier for them to choose whenever they get up to the front of the line to pick. But yeah, that's the lunch menu for the elementary schools in Davidson counties. Bye.